Hi dear students, Odisha Public Service Commission notification released, good opportunity for civil engineering students, and here Panchayati Raj department and also drinking water department, total 210 vacancies released, bulk vacancies, good opportunity for civil engineering students. But first time one more thing here, in mains, general studies introduced for 300 marks. Not 50, 100, 300 marks. In main examination, who qualified preliminary examination, then who will appear to main examination, 300 marks. So in this video, we are going to discuss how to gain more marks in general studies in Odisha Public Service Commission for Panchayati Raj and drinking water department. Here, if you see the method of examination and screening of examination, let us discuss first of all the examination pattern vacancies. First, unreserved vacancies 105 are there here, and SCBC 24, SC 34, ST 47, total 210 vacancies are there. Bulk vacancies, and here only for civil engineers these vacancies a very good opportunity. And let us discuss the method of examination, how to gain more marks. Okay, method of selection. There is a preliminary examination only for technical, only technical 100 questions, carrying each question 1 mark, 100 marks. There is a negative mark for each question, 0.25 marks. Preliminary examination only for technical. There is no non-technical general studies. Only technical, 100 questions, each question carries 1 mark, 100 questions, 100 marks, and there is a penalty or negative mark for each question, 0.25 for wrong questions. So here main examination consists of following 2 papers, 150 questions each paper. So here see general studies including basic science and general awareness, total altogether including knowledge, general knowledge, 300 marks. 150 questions, 300 marks. Each question 2 marks, 150 into 2, 300 marks. And technical also same pattern, 150 questions, 300 marks, each question 2 marks, total 300 marks. So main examination total 600 marks. General studies plus technical, paper 1 plus paper 2, total 600 marks. Total questions 300, 150 plus 150. But whereas in prelims only technical 100 questions, 100 marks only. Okay, this remember it. First of all, 100 questions, 100 marks. After that is weightage would be more. And these prelims marks, whatever you secured, those not at all included in mains, that you remember it. This is only for qualifying. Okay, just we discussed 300 marks technical, 300 marks general studies, both together 600 marks plus interview 75 marks. So mains examination total 675 marks, total main examination 675 marks. So in main examination there is a negative mark for each question 0.5. In preliminary examination each question 0.25. In main examination 0.5, because in main examination 150 questions 300 marks, each question carries 2 marks, so that for each question wrong answer penalty 0.5 negative mark. This remember it. Total 675. Total 675 marks in mains. After that, after merit, after out of 600 written examination, the merit candidates were called to interview. Okay, dear students, other than Odia students, Chhattisgarh, West Bengal, Jharkhand, neighboring state Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, those students were not eligible. Why? Because see, in the notification clearly mentioned below 10th standard, Odia as a language must. Okay, so that so only Odia as a language people, they should appear, they should eligible for this examination. Here let us discuss 300 marks syllabus. Here you can see, first of all, major general studies 300 marks, 150 questions, each question 2 marks. Each question 2 marks. General science 200 marks. What is the importance? You see, for general science, what is importance? Here, physics 20. In physics, many are there. Light, measurements, scalar quantities, vector quantities, acceleration, velocity, gravitational force, sound, light, magnetism. This type of topics, allotropic forms of carbon. This type of topics are very important in physics. Chemistry, compounds, very important. Physics, general questions in various competitive examinations. Important compounds. Example, sulfuric acid. What is the use? Nitric acid, nitrates use, zinc phosphate use. What are the important compounds? Their uses, chemistry and atomics, atoms, nuclear reactors, and also isotopes, radioisotopes. So chemical compounds, everything is here, chemistry, and also laughing gas, tear gas, such type of common, general studies know, general common point of view, which is called laughing gas, nitrous oxides, and which is called tear gas. Tears will come, no, so tear gas, chloropicrine, such type of questions you may be given in the examination. So 20 questions, chemistry, biology, 20 questions. So biology, hormones, enzymes, proteins. Now because of corona, so everybody speaking in the newspaper, immune food, immunization food. So what is the immune system? So what type of food? It gives more immunity, and proteins, vitamins, minerals, disease. What is virus? Virus characters. What is bacteria? Bacteria characters. What is protozoa? Protozoa disease, virus disease, bacteria disease, fungi disease, worms disease. When we started vaccination program, where we are in vaccination, what is the real immune system? So this type of questions you may be given this time because of corona, pandemic disease. What is epidemic? What is endemic? What is pandemic? What is sporadic? So this type of questions you may be given this time examination because biology is very, very important. Hormones, enzymes, and our dietary food, nothing but vitamins, minerals, disease, proteins, fats, carbohydrates. Such type of topics you may be given questions, and also information technology. Today it is ruling entire ICT, what we call. So information technology, example Digital India. Power to empower, it is a motto. Facebook is going to support for Digital India, which was started on July 1st, 2015. Digital India policy brought by Modi Sarkar in 2018. BharatNet, NagarNet, John Wi-Fi, Li-Fi, LTE, LED, LCD. What is the difference? So everything we should learn through information technology. So it is ruling the wonder, it is creating wonders on the earth today, and here e-administration is going on, e-courts are going on, e-education is going on, e-learning going on. So we should learn thoroughly what is the SAPNet, what is the LAN, what is the WAN, what is the Wi-Fi, what is the Li-Fi, what is the LED, what is the OLED, a recent technology, organic light emitting diodes. We should learn thoroughly. So here information technology. And also what is the cloud computing? What is the cloud computing? Different technologies. What is the superbugs? So different terminologies are coming in the newspapers. So regarding information technology and nuclear science, here atomic bomb, hydrogen bomb, radioactivity, Madame Curie, Marie Curie, electron, proton, neutron, their characters. So everything, so nuclear science, when we conducted first nuclear test, how many times India conducted nuclear test? What is the Operation Shakti 98? What is the hydrogen bomb? How it works? What is the principle in hydrogen bomb? What is the principle in atomic bomb? What is the nuclear fission? What is the nuclear fusion? It's such type of theories, principles you may be given in the examination. These are all coming due to America and North Korea conflict recently between Kim Un and also Trump due to hydrogen bomb issue. It came into news recently. That is also part of this nuclear science. And also BARC, Baba Atomic Research and Atomic Energy Commission, Department of Atomic Energy, where we are going to initiate, and what are the raw material for nuclear, uranium-238, uranium-235, thorium, where it is available, what are the minerals, ores, from where we are going to import, and with whom we got an agreement, a uranium agreement, a nuclear agreement. This is all exam point of view, very, very important. And also here, computer technology. So nowadays, it is a mandatory. Computer technology is mandatory. You know, since Charles Babbage, analytical engine, who discovered Charles Babbage, earlier abacus discovered by Chinese, and after that slowly Turing computer, father of modern computers, Turing machine he discovered, Charles Babbage, world father of the computers, modern father of the computers, Turing, who discovered Turing machine, computer machine, and after that many computers, microcomputers, major computers, work-based computers, super-fast computers. No, here at present in India, super-fast computer Pratyush, IITM, Pune, they made it. And also ISRO, they made it Saga 220 super-fast computer. Param 8000, CDAC, Center for Development of Advanced Computing, Pune, they made it first super-fast computer in India. Param 8000, Param 10,000, Param 12,000, Param Yuva 1, Param Yuva 2, present Pratyush. World superfast computer, China, it made it recently, Sunway Tahulate, world fastest superfast computers. And what is RAM? What is ROM? ROM, RAM. You see it. What is Pascal, HTML, Cobalt, C++, Java, Oracle, computer languages? And mobiles, GSM, CDMA, what is the difference when we introduced the first mobile? What is microprocessor? What is DVD? What is the CD? Watch D is HDD? So this type of terminology we should learn in computer language, okay? And defense technology. You see it, defense technology, 20 marks. You know, in defense technology, Army, Navy, Air Force, all together to integrate three Army forces, Navy forces, Air forces. There is a integrated defense forces, one more separate forces created in 2001. So Army ranks, Navy ranks, and also Air Force ranks, top to bottom. Their ranks top to bottom, bottom to top, very, very important. And also Army institutions, Navy institutions, and also Air Force institutions. You know, Army Military College, Dehradun. See it. Air Force Management College, Secunderabad. INS Karwar, Navy, Asia's biggest seabird project, Karwar Kadamba, Karnataka. So this type of questions may be given in the examination. And also here, and defense technology, main missiles technology. Missiles, you know, Abdul Kalam, since 1983, integrated guided missile development program. Through this program chairman Abdul Kalam. So that Abdul Kalam is called father of missiles. He made it till 1988, 5 years during the span. Prithvi, Akash, Trishul, Nag, Agni, 5 missiles. Along with present many are there missiles. Surya, Saurya, Nirbhay. See it. Many missiles are there. BrahMos, Russia, India joint venture missile, BrahMos missile, and also recently Barak 8 we brought from Israel, S-400 missiles brought from Russia. So this type of latest defense technology, and also Howitzer guns we are importing from America, Rafale aircrafts importing from France. Everybody knows Rafale aircrafts, Mirage, France, Jaguar, UK. So various countries, example Falcon radars, most powerful radars, we are taking from, importing from Israel. So defense technology, and also aircraft carriers, Saras, Tejas, Dhruva, light combating air helicopter, many are there, war tanks, and submarine, nuclear submarine, K family means Sagarika family, K5, K15, K4, and nuclear testing places and also missile testing ranges in Odisha, Chandipur, Balasore, Wheelers Island in Odisha. 3 are in Odisha. A Wheelers Island, Odisha name Abdul Kalam testing range. Chandipur, Balasore, Wheelers Island. 3 are in Odisha. Nuclear missile testing ranges, 3 are in Odisha. So this type of questions you may be given from defense technology, whatever the questions are there, topics, everything I told you, and also space technology. It's a wonderful technology. This called comes under science and technology, integral space technology. You know, recently we started space technology since 1961 onwards, because Yuri Gagarin, who went into space April 12th. After that we realized under JL Nehru, Indian National Committee on Space Research Chairman Vikram Sarabhai, who was called as a father of Indian space, since 1962 to 2020, we have achieved a lot and a lot. At a time, 104 satellite we launched into Earth orbit. Sputnik 1, Russia launched the first satellite, human-made satellite. We launched Aryabhatta 1 with the help of Russia. Today, 104 satellites, world record. It is India. So India recreated world record because at a time launched 104 satellites, and miracles we created. ASAT, world fourth country, anti-satellite hitting missile ASAT, designed by DRDO. And space technology, recently worldwide SpaceX, private spaceship, only one private spaceship went into Earth orbit first time. So many are there. And regarding space technology, space stations, space branches, ISRO branches, when ISRO was established 1969 August 15th, Space Commission, Department of Space. So far, cryogenic engine technology, ramjet engine technology, which type of fuels we use, liquid hydrogen, liquid oxygen. So that those questions are very important in space technology. And space shuttles names, SLV, ASLV, PSLV XL, GSLV Mark 1, GSLV Mark 2, GSLV Mark 3. Which satellite is called, launch vehicle is called ISRO Race Horse PSLV, Race Horse. We launched many satellites into Earth orbit. Okay, so these are the very important. Geology, it is also part of the civil engineering. It is also part of the civil engineering. Geology, what is that? Odisha structure, Indian structure, Gondwana tertiary structure. Whether it is a Gondwana structure, Indian land belongs to Gondwana structure. And also granite or basalt. Odisha landmass belongs to granite or basalt. And also in Odisha, there is eastern ghats are distributed. In Odisha, those eastern ghats are made by rock structure and charnocite, condolite. So such type of land. Regarding land forms information, geology structure, earth formation, structure, rock system, types of rocks, igneous rocks, metamorphic rocks, sedimentary rocks. In those rocks, what type of minerals are available? Example, in Odisha, coal reserves are more in Odisha. Coal reserves are more in Odisha. Example, Talcher, popular for coal, Utkal, coal black, Odisha, coal. A coal is available in sedimentary rocks. So like that, you may be given, coal is available in which of the following rock systems, sedimentary rocks. So like that, geology, agriculture, so 20 marks. You know that in Indian agriculture as well as Odisha, what type of crops are well grown? Odisha soils, what type of soils are there? More black soils or red soils? Or laterite soils or alluvial soils? See it, agriculture. And seasons, Kharif season, Rabi season, Zaid seasons, and also climate. Odisha, agriculture related climate, southwest monsoons, northeast monsoons. So agriculture marketings, e-marketings. You see it. Agriculture pattern, sedentary cultivation, shifting cultivation, mixed farming, crop rotation, such type of questions, terrace cultivation. So that type of agriculture cultivations types you may be given. And also agriculture based schemes, Odisha government as well as Indian government. Pradhan Mantri Sinchayi Yojana to provide irrigation facilities to agriculture, central scheme, like Odisha schemes, soil testing labs, agriculture soil testing labs. So whatever the schemes concerned to agriculture, insurance scheme for agriculture. So whatever, so floods, or whenever floods comes, whenever cyclone comes, if crops are damaged, insurance. Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana. It is a good insurance scheme for agriculture. Okay. So like that, questions may be given. Total altogether comes under 200 marks. C out of 300 general science, 200 marks. Friends, it's very easy to secure 150 out of 200. Okay, so remaining part 100 let us discuss. If you see out of 100 marks parts, history of modern India and Indian culture, the history of modern India will cover the following: history of India since 1857. Important personalities who shaped the freedom movement in Odisha and India, social reforms movements. So altogether 20 marks. Here, if you see history since 1857 to 1947, whoever related with Odisha freedom fighters, Chakar Biyasi, tribal leader, Santal leader, Nanu Kanha, Chakar Biyasi, these are all popular leaders from Odisha. So here, and also important personalities from Odisha, Subhash Chandra Bose from Cuttack, great personalities in the world. You see it? So important personalities, social reform movements from Odisha. So we should learn, many are there. And also Indian culture will cover the following: Indian culture from ancient times to modern times, temple architecture Odisha, socio-cultural development in Odisha. See, it's Gangaya kings, Gajapati kings, Gajapati kings. So many dynasties ruled Odisha, and Konark temple, Ananta, Chodaganga Varma dynasty, Narsimhadeva who built Konark temple, Puri Jagannath temple, there is architecture and everything. So here temple architecture, Mukteshwar temple, Jagannath temple, Konark temple, their architecture, in which dynasty it was built. So that questions you may be given in the exam point of view. Okay. Social geography of India. Physical and social geography of India means landforms, physical structure of India, peninsular plateau, Himalayas, Eastern Ghats, Western Ghats, Vindhya Satpura, coastal, Odisha coastal state, coastal plains, and also climate of India as well as Odisha, river system, everything. River system is very important. Mahanadi, Suvarnareka, Rishikelia, Mahanadi, Suvarnareka, Rishikelia, this type of rivers are there in Odisha, and major seaports in Odisha. Paradip port are there, Dhamra port is there. Dhamra is a popular port, Paradip is a popular port. We have been exporting iron ore to other countries from Paradip. And also here social and economic geography, minerals, Odisha population, everything. So, and Odisha physical geography and drainage system within the Odisha, forest area in Odisha, forest types in Odisha, national parks in Odisha crops, leading districts, and Odisha soils distribution, Odisha within the Odisha rivers, within the Odisha industries distribution, minerals distribution in Odisha, so including link with Indian geography. Okay, and also Odisha natural resources. What I told you, everything is there here. And also it is also part of the disasters. So cyclones, because Odisha adversely affected to cyclones, floods also. Often in 1999, Odisha super cyclone October 29th, more than 10,000 people died in Odisha. 10,000 people died in India. What is cyclone? What is depression? What is super cyclone? You see it? So here cyclone, super cyclone, global warming, everything, tsunami, floods, including, it is a disaster management. You know, disaster management is a part of the geography altogether. It is a disaster management. Okay. And also Indian polity will include the following: Constitution of India, political system of India, government and politics in India. It's a Panchayat Raj Institution. Panchayat Raj Institution means here 73rd, 74th amendment. 73rd Panchayat Raj, 74th amendment. Both you should follow. Compulsory questions. Because Panchayat Raj examination, no, na, water department. So Panchayat Raj 73rd amendment is very important. First initiated Panchayat Raj system, Rajasthan, 1959 October 2, Nagaur district, and Odisha, how it is introduced, and also government and politics in Odisha parties present chief minister belongs to which party, that party, when it was established, everything, political system, constitution common for all states in India, constitution when it framed, how it was framed, drafting committee chairman, rules committee chairman, okay, everything, preamble, everything. Friends, Indian world, the foreign affairs. Foreign affairs means India relations with other countries, with America, with UK, with France, with Australia, with Japan, our neighboring countries. How we are going to maintain, like current affairs, this external security and related matters, nuclear policy, Indian abroad is no, it comes in international relations, like current affairs also. Okay, this is the part, and also Indian economy, planning economy, development, economic reforms, and development of the corporate sectors in India. We are going to privatization. When we open private trains for private, disinvestment, many companies including LIC, we are going to disinvestment part, and many institutions, BPCL, again privatization, BHEL, BPCL, BSNL, so public sector role, and economic fire plans, role, everything, economic and trade issues. Trade means business. What is our trade in the world? What is the percentage? Below 2%. So like role and functions of IMF, World International Monetary Fund, World Bank, World Trade Organization versus Reserve Bank of India. What is the duty of Reserve Bank of India? Functions, monetary functions, quantitative functions, qualitative functions. Which is quantitative, which is qualitative? Bank rate, SLR, CRR, repo rate, reverse repo rate, bank rate. Whether it is the qualitative method or quantitative method. Okay. So, and also Odisha economy development during the post-reform period. Odisha economy. So Odisha is having lot of resources. Not only water resources, but also mineral resources, water resources, forest resources, everything. All the resources are there. Why the so far Odisha not developed well? Because all the resources are there. So we should, after Odisha economy development during the post-reform period, after 1947. Okay, we should learn all these things. So this is the syllabus, total 100 marks. Okay, dear students, Rupa IAS Academy, we are going to offer best coaching, quality of coaching at cheapest mode. Our motto is education is a social responsibility. You can see in Google, number of videos are there, both in bilingual and English version also there. And here we are giving best opportunity, best coaching and qualitative coaching for Odisha Public Service Commission mains and at cheapest price. Till examination, we are providing the coaching for only 2,000 rupees. Only for 2,000 rupees. So, because of our motto, already I told you, we want to support the students, we want to bring out their talents, we want to support their goals, achieve their goals. So you can see in our Rupa IAS YouTube also, number of videos are there. Okay. So my dear Odisha friends, and this video, just you subscribe and pass to this video your friends, juniors, seniors, all civil engineers. Okay. So Rupa IAS Academy always supports you till examination, including local general studies, current affairs also. Thank you very much.